In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini effectively in just 5 minutes. Google Gemini is an innovative tool designed to enhance your productivity by allowing you to interact seamlessly with AI. Whether you want to get information, perform tasks, or simply explore its capabilities, I'll guide you through each step. To begin using Google Gemini, let's first navigate to the Google Gemini homepage. Open your web browser and type in the Google Gemini URL. It's a simple action that sets the stage for all the incredible features you're about to discover. Once you're on the Gemini page, you need to sign in using your Google account. Your Google account is the gateway to accessing all of Google's integrated features. If you have multiple accounts, just ensure you select the one that best suits your needs. This will not only personalize your experience, but also keep everything streamlined in one place. After signing in, you're ready to start a new chat session. Look for the option that says Start a New Chat. This feature is the heart of Google Gemini, where you begin your interaction. Once you initiate a new chat, you have the flexibility to either type your sentences or use your microphone to speak. For those who prefer a hands-free experience, the microphone option is especially handy, making the interaction feel more like a natural conversation. Now, one of the exciting features of Google Gemini is the ability to switch models if this option is available to you. Switching models allows you to tap into different AI capabilities tailored for various tasks or contexts. It's a brilliant way to customize your interaction and get the most relevant responses based on what you're aiming to achieve. Finally, let's explore how you can use Google Gemini for tasks. The beauty of this tool lies in its versatility. Need to schedule a reminder? Ask it. Want to find out weather updates or the latest news? Simply state your request. Google Gemini is designed to handle a wide array of tasks, making it an efficient assistant in nearly every aspect of your digital life. Now you know the basics of using Google Gemini. From accessing the platform and signing in to starting a chat and using its capabilities, these steps ensure you can interact smoothly and efficiently with this powerful tool. Remember to explore and experiment with its features to fully leverage the potential of AI in your everyday tasks. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy your experience with Google Gemini.